The idea of accent softening can be quite vague for some people. So I want to share a bit more about what 10 to 15 sessions, a package that we typically offer, actually entails. So in the first taster session, you get a roadmap. So you know exactly which sounds are holding onto your accent and what to do about it. And then also in the taster session, you'll learn the basics of our intonation methodology, which is where you learn to really find the melody of neutral English speech. And we find that actually it's this second part, this intonation part, and all the bits that go with it, which really helps our clients to inhabit the language and really make massive and speedy shifts in the way they're communicating in English. So in the following 10 to 15 sessions, you'll be working through sounds, so typically around 3 sounds in every session. And with every sound, you start by learning the basics, which is essentially recreating the neural pathways in your brain so that you can make the new sound rather than the habituated old sound. So we basically replace the old neural pathway. And then when you've got the sound, you'll start to put it into practice in sentences and role plays and get the meaning across, because great communication is not about getting the sounds right. It's really about conveying our idea in a way that makes people want to listen. So you'll work on those sounds, you'll work on intonation, and then you'll probably work on 1 or 2 consonants or an additional extra thing like word stress, connected speech, which is about the flow of speech, suffixes, syllables, and then some bigger ideas for just helping people be the best communicator they can be. So there's a big crossover in what we do with accent softening into the work we do with effective communication, because essentially what we are absolutely committed to for our clients is giving them everything they need to be the best communicators they can be in English so that they can fully inhabit and live the lives they want and to achieve their goals in life. So that's really exciting for us. So 10 to 15 sessions, it takes you through all of those sounds, all of the tools and techniques to manage English with confidence. If you want to have a go, best way is to try a taster, and you can sign up for one today. And we have a special 10% off offer for people who've seen this video. Thank you and